SOS fix. We have a Sony receiver model STR dn1070 who are ready to keep part, and I'm gonna tell you what the troubleshooting that I did so far. So this receiver, when it's connected to the power and power on, after like a minute it will give a protector mode or protect mode. And so this is what you have to do or to test the problem. Before you take it all apart, just take the top cover and you're gonna test the power. Just turn it on before it go to the protect mode. Test the power to the middle pin of this resistor. It should be getting like 2 volt or less. If you find anything very high voltage, it means that channel is bad. This receiver, which has each 2 MOSFETs is powering one channel. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a 7 channels. Yeah, and here the resistor, there is 7 resistor over there. So you're going to test for which one it has a high voltage to the ground, and you test the middle one before it's go to the protect mode. If it's go to the protect mode, turn it back on and keep going testing like that. For this one, I found this channel here on the left. That's the one is giving me a high voltage, like about 60 volt, 55, something like that. And this is the test to be sure that the channel is bad. If you test here, we put it in the, we're gonna test between the pins to the middle, this MOSFETs. So here is fine, there is no short. Here there is a short. So this one is shorted, this one is not short. It's not mean this one is good. We're still gonna do the more tests. So we put it in the diode mode. And another thing, for you to be easy for you to figure out which channel is bad, you have another MOSFETs that you can get the reading from. Like this one and next, this channel and next to this one. If I put the red one in the middle, or let me flip it. So the black one in the middle, I got 0.6. So this one is the same as this one. So this one and this one, this one and this one. So here we got good reading. So 0.56 is mean almost 6. So here to be sure is 0.6. Next, the same MOSFETs. Here we have 0. Here we have 0.4. So this is the good one, that's the bad one. So this one sure is going to need to be changed. We go to the next one. The next one is the inverse of this one. It means the middle is going to be the red and the tester is going to be the ground or the black. So we're going to test this one. We have 0.58. This one 0.58. Good. So the other side, still going. So it's a 0.8, and this one here 0.4. Let's go to another channel. This one here 0.4. So this one is bad, this one is bad, both of them. Here another thing, we're going to test this resistor. and we flip them. So this resistor is good. You're gonna need to test. There is a small resistors over there. There is like 3 resistors for each channel, and so I'm gonna test one by one. So we'll put it in the on. This one we have 118 ohm. This one is a kilo ohm, shouldn't be. It's 100 ohm. This one 100 ohm. This 100 ohm, 100 ohm, 100 ohm. But this resistor here is bad. The layer resistor is gonna need to be changed because it is like a open. So this one here, 2.6 kilo ohm. 2.6 kilo ohm. So well, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna check these 2 MOSFETs. I'm gonna check this one from the board and test it out the board, because sometimes it's gonna give the reading of the board. Then we test we're gonna change the resistor. So these are the parts that we took out. So let's test them. This one is still good. It's gonna go back to the board. These three, I'm gonna replace them. And well, we received the check. This is the bad ones, this is the good ones. This is shorted. Right. And this is open. Yeah, this one is open and this one is shorted. Yeah, you follow the same as the other one. This 1620 is the first. Then 2488. I just done putting it together, so now we are going to test it. And it works.
type of algae. It has a very long history on Earth. These were the organisms that first made the oxygen. These organisms could do the same thing on Mars. Send them to Mars and ask them to change the world.
Cyanobacteria, the planet changers.
These are the little green men. They're not men, but they are little and they are green.
But wait.